On Math Week 14, 7th grade, number 1, show your work. We need to divide 3 by 8. And I would expect to see some work on this, so you need to do 3 divided by 8. Notice you can't do how many 8s are in 3s. You're going to end up having to add a couple decimals. In fact, you're going to have to add 3 decimals on this one to get your final answer. So then you would say how many 8s are in 30, and you can keep going from there. Number 2 here. We're going to add some fractions here. Note that they're both negative. So we are still going to just add these. Just have to make sure at the end your answer is going to be negative. You will have to change this fraction to ninths so that you have a common denominator of ninths. So you'll have to do times 3 on the numerator and denominator. And then you'll be able to add those together. Over here, number 3. Remember when you have 2 minuses in a row, you got to do something there. I want you to use a number line as well. Number 4, this is what we've been working on recently. 70%, remember per means out of. Cent means 100. So 70% is 70 out of 100. So that's a fraction. However, I do want you to reduce that. I think you can reduce that fraction. You can divide them both by at least 10. So give me a simplified fraction here. For the decimal, going from percent to decimal, you should remember you only have to move your decimal a couple times. Or you can just treat this fraction up here as a division problem and divide those out. Number 5, we need to do PEMDAS. We need to do the order of operations. However, be careful because PEMDAS is actually it's a big liar. PEMDAS says you should probably multiply before you divide, but that's actually not even true necessarily. You need to multiply or divide depending on which one comes first. So in this one, we actually do division first, and then you'll multiply whatever you just got by 3.